Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. My name is Laura Train Mama. Today we are having a look at this Brio engine. It is number 33599. It is a rechargeable engine with a mini USB cable. Shall we get stuck in?
It's number.
Whoa. Crikey.
See it?
Nope. Too close to the lens. Well, that's it. Perfect.
It's number 39.
It is.
The box first.
Okay, here is the empty packaging. We have removed the USB mini cable. So this one was from the garden centre, £26.99. Woo! It was expensive.
And here is the locomotive itself. And it's charged.
Mm-hmm. Do you know what my favourite part is when you switch the button on? Is when you put it on your track pieces and it goes through the tunnel. You can see the lights through the tunnel though. So cool. Okay. Wow. Look at that.
Eyes through the tunnel, don't they?
Yeah, they do look like eyes. It's pretty cool.
Why does it uncouple?
Oh no. Okay, we are going to end it there. We did try and use Colin to lift it up. However, because there is only a magnet at the back, it didn't quite work.